Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Xbox game bar not opening not working issue. First method is click Start, Settings, click System Components. Click Terminate, click Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.